This mop really does glide along our floors very easily. Once that 30 seconds is up and the mop is heated up and the mop pad starts to get some moisture in it, it is so easy to just push it along the floors and start cleaning up. And it gets the floor sparkling clean and looks so good. I have seen some people complain that the water tank is a little bit small. Honestly, that doesn't really bother me. I do have to fill it up a couple of times while I'm mopping, but it's not that big of a deal, and honestly, I don't want it huge because I don't want it in the way and I don't want it to be really heavy when I'm mopping. The mop is really light and easy to move whenever you are mopping your floors. The mop does make a little bit of a gurgling sound when it does get to the bottom of the water tank, so that lets you know before you run out of water that it's time to refill it. Overall, this mop really gets the job done. The floors are clean, sanitized, and look great, and I definitely think that this mop is worth the money.